Hey guys, so today we're in the Mecca of Kingston. We're in New Kingston, the business capital, and we have a delivery to do. This customer, however, is at work. Today is Saturday, can you imagine, on the good soup day? But we're here. You know how we do it. Wherever you are, whenever, we'll get it here. So, let's go meet with her. So she's waiting for us, patiently. Hello, hope I didn't have you waiting too long. By the way, you signed up for your account right here, right?
I did.
When I see your phone. Okay. Right there. I remember you. Hi, I'm Doug. And thanks for shipping with us. I have the package for you. Yeah, well, the rest coming. Yes, coming.
So,
Just first time you shipping?
no.
With us? Oh, you did it before. Okay, nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's all I have to say. Thank you very much. What do you think about the service?
Well,
Walk with me so we can get the other package.
okay, so the service is kind of complicated as it is to the. Well, I'm used to just uploading my invoice. I'm not used to like putting in the information.
Right.
So it's actually the new thing.
All right.
Well,
Technology, once you get used to it, once you know how the platform works, it's smooth sailing, right?
yes. And I also realized that you guys, as it relates to the shipping part, sometimes I'm not really in a case where feasible to go to the office so that
Right.
you guys actually deliver it to me.
Yeah, I love that.
Good as well.
And a good soup day, you love that.
Not in my part.
You don't, a soup day part you don't love?
Nope.
You like the delivery part?
Yeah, deliver it. That's great.
Okay, have you been making a reference? Being referenced?
Yeah, I signed up for person.
What?
Yes.
So you're a new superstar then?
It said. Yes. For other person actually signed up after me as all these.
Alright,
About everything, man. I think one actually works here.
works here as well.
She works here as well, so
Okay, good stuff.
it's a case where because she asked me if I should use your company, or she should use her own company.
Right.
It all depends on which time it's shipped. You'll actually buy the product because it's a particular date as it relates. If you read the message that you sent to you,
Right.
based on Shein and also the UPS and also the company.
So where you find our updates on where your packages are, stuff like that.
So that's educative.
Okay, and you appreciate it?
Yeah.
Okay, because I think it's important for you to know exactly where your investment is at any given time. All right, we appreciate it. This is what I tell you. And do the New Year start already. Pick up the for the New Year. Wishing you all the best. Today, Saturday, you should be at home chilling. You have to work. You're pushing.
Yeah, I like that word.
You like to be at work. You like to be at work. I think we should employ. What do you think we should employ? Anyway, thanks a mil for your patronage. And looking forward to doing more business with you. Have a good one.
Thanks.
All right?